Hi guys, just thought I'd do a little video on pruning later in the year. So obviously now summer is over and autumn is pretty much here. I want my plant to focus on ripening the chilies it has, so I don't want it to put energy into the flowers it currently has. I want it to put it into the pods that's already set. This is especially important for a plant like this. So this is the ahi body snatcher, so it's a bacatum. Now these take an age to ripen, so these pods here have been on here for God knows how long. It looks like that one might be slightly on the turn, but they take an age to ripen. So any of these flowers, if they're set now, just wouldn't have time to set. So as you can see, what I've been doing is following a branch from the top down to where the last chili is. You can see there, got chili there, so I've literally just snipped off just above where that is. So again, I've got this branch here, so see there, snipped off there, there's a chili there, there's a chili there, so I've snipped off. Again, this branch here, there's chili there, so I've just snipped off just above. So really you want to just follow the branch down from the top to where the chili is. So you can see there's a little one that's just formed there, but that won't have time to grow and ripen. So it is pointless letting the plant put the energy into that. I would rather it go into that pod there. So snip it off. So the energy going up the plant now will be focused on that pod. Sorry about that. Rather than the one that I'd just set. So I know for a fact that wouldn't have time to ripen. Now that the days are getting shorter, the nights are getting longer, the nights are getting colder. So yeah, I'll be going around every plant, just giving them a bit of a trim back. So that's it really. Thank you for watching.